Let's continue. 7. 5 over 12. Divide natin by 7 over 9. And multiply it by 1/3. So like what I've said earlier, ito po yung katabi ng division operation lang ang i-inverse. So this time, itong 7 and 9 only. So copy 5 over 12. So invert muna natin, nagiging 9 over 7. And then proceed to multiplication na, and then 1/3 copy. Ang ini-invert lang po again ay pag nasa division lang po. Okay, are there numbers to be simplified? Yes. It's 12 and 3. Pwede ring 9 and 3. Pwede din, kahit ano. Nine divided by 3, it's 3. 12 divided by 3, it's 4. So, simplify ulit natin. Nasi-simplify pa yan. 3 and 3. So, 3 divided by 3, 1. 3 divided by 3, 1. So, 5 na lang. 5 times 1 times 1, it's 5. 4 times 7, 28 times 1. Okay po, please copy as is, kasama yung mga numbers na na-simplify. Ito, yung may mga slash or cancellation. Ayan. Next, number 8. 5 over 6. Times natin sa 2/3. And divide natin by 1/4. So, copy lang natin class yung mga hindi ini-invert. 5 over 6 times 2/3. So, this time it's 4 and 1. So, 4 over 1. So, check natin yung mga numbers na pwede i-simplify. So, this time it's 2 and 6 or 4 and 6. Isa lang po doon. So, let's simplify na lang this one. 2 and 6. 2 divided by 2, it's 1. 6 divided by 2, it's 3. Tama? Are there numbers na pwede pa i-simplify? Wala na po. So, multiply na tayo. 5 times 1, 5 times 4, 20. 3 times 3 times 1, it's 9. So, divide lang natin. 20 divided by 9, or how many 9 are there in 20? It's only 2. And then, subtract natin. 2 times 9 is 18. So, 20 minus 18, it's 2. And then, copy denominator 9. The correct answer for number 8, it's 2 and 2 over 9. Next. Sige, tapusin natin 9 and 10. Nakopy na po. Class, nakopy na. Please copy ha, please copy. Ayan yung tamang process or way na pag-compute. Ganyan po. Okay, let's proceed to number 9. 7/8 divided by 2/14 divided by 12/16. So, ano lang po ang i-invert? Ito and ito. Kasi katabi sila ng division operation. So, copy 7/8. So, 14 na dito sa taas, 2 na dito sa baba. Ito po yun. So, multiplication na tayo. Ito din. Dahil katabi siya ng division operation, invert natin. So, 16 na dito sa taas and then 12 na dito sa baba. Now, let's proceed. Multiplication. So, equal tayo ulit. Equals. O, check tayo ng numbers na masisimplify. 8 and 16, agad, kita natin, 8 divided by 8, 1, 16 divided by 8, 2. Check pa tayo ng numbers na masisimplify. 14 and 12. 14 and 12 by 2. 14 divided by 2, 7. 12 divided by 2, it's 6. Meron pa? Ito, 2 and 2. Simplify natin yung 2 and 2. Ito, 2 and 2 by 2 din. So, 1 na lang. So, ilan na lang natira? 7 and 7. 7 times 7 is 49. And then, 1 times 1 times 6. So, equal na lang tayo. 49, let's divide it by 6. 4, pag 9, 8. 48. 1/6. The correct answer for number 9, it's 8 and 1/6. And then last, and for number 10, tapusin na natin class. 30 and 1/5 divided by 40 divided by 2 and 3/5. So, improper natin to. 30 times 5, it's 150 plus 1, 151. Copy 5. Tapos 40 over 1, it's 1/40. And then, ito din. 5 times 2, it's 10 plus 3, 13. So, sa baba na yun. 13 over yan. So, check tayo ng mga masisimplify. 5 and 5, right? So, 1 na lang yan. Ito, 1 na lang din yan. Kasi pareha. How about 40 and 151? No. How about 13 and 151? Hindi din. So, multiply na natin. 151 times 40 times 13, it's 4, 12, 420. So, masisimplify ba natin sa 426? 6, 7. Yeah. Your second summative test will be on Monday. Please prepare. Pointers to review. Multiplication and division. Addition and subtraction of fractions. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of fractions. Yan lang po. Please prepare a sheet of paper for solution. Okay. Okay, may question pa po. Do you have any more questions? Do you have any clarifications? Wala na. Review na lang ha. Review class. Review po. Okay. I'll see you again on Monday. Monday po.